Lesson 101, how to fix a botched up lace front wig from Amazon. When they send you these wigs, it makes no sense. My mom purchased this for me. My mom, her wig was fine. And this wig, it just don't make no sense. I don't even know how. This side is thicker, this side is real thin. I don't understand how they make these wigs, but y'all know me. I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna make this wig out of a cute bob. I've already started cutting it. It just don't make sense. They just throw these wigs together. It depends where they're coming from, because all the wigs that I ordered from Singapore, no problem. Never had a problem with wigs from Singapore. Never. But these sour wigs right here, and this came from Amazon, makes no sense. My mom ordered this off of Amazon, but they're it's just no good. If you ask me, it's just total waste of time. Money, I'm sorry. Total waste of money. I need this back to hug my neck. No hair in the back sitting on my neck. This makes no sense. I gotta get me another rat tail comb, because I don't know what other one is. This side right here is super thin.
Me and Jesus, we together got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. It's a moon, but I said it right. We gon' be alright.
This side is much longer, so we have to cut it shorter.
Good news. Don't worry about me. Jesus got me. I stay winning. Say I stay winning.
Let's see if this right. I'm not seeing this part there. Look at the top. What they do this at? Where they send these wigs looking any kind of way, and these are not cheap wigs. The wig looked a mess. So what I went on ahead and did was, y'all know me, I love to cut hair. So I took the wig out the package and noticed that it was all banged up. It didn't look good. It didn't even look like a fresh wig. So it really didn't. I just took it out the bag. What wig looked a hot mess? This side is flying all over the place, super thin, and this side is laying the way it's supposed to lay. Nice, real nice and pretty. You see the difference? This one lays pretty. This one is like that. Makes no sense. This top, I don't know. But anyway, it did not come like this. Well, it came like this, but I cut it already. It was longer. It was longer. It had absolutely no shape. It was chopped up, shorter in the back, long in the front. The style made absolutely no sense. It made no sense. So anyway, I cut the wig. Cutting is definitely my favorite. I had to make this wig look nice. This is what it looked like. I cut it short. I do want to cut it shorter because that's how I love all of my bob wigs. Nice and short. I love it to hug my neck. This side looks so nice. I took off at least 3 inches off this wig, 3.5 inches off this wig. And to me, I think once I shampoo her, condition the wig, and flat iron her, she's gonna be just perfect. So examine your wigs, ladies. If they look botched up, send them back and give them a review. Let's go ahead and flat iron this wig. Let's do this. I don't know what my rat tail comb is. I have no idea. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Voiceover, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's Nisha Antoinette. And watch all of my videos from beginning to end. Y'all already know I have a variety channel. And some of you all don't know that I went to beauty school years ago. And this is why I love doing hair. I also started as a young girl doing hair because my aunt used to do hair and my mom did hair. So I picked up that gift and that talent. But anyway, back to this wig. My mom purchased this wig for me in January or February of this year. It came to my mom, actually was delivered to her from Amazon, and it was a little botched, y'all. It was botched up in the back. Whoever cut this wig before they put it in the box and shipped it, they obviously was blindfolded because it made no sense. So I wanted to take this wig and do something with it. When I saw the wig, I told my mom, no, just return it, get your money back. And then I'm like, you know what? I know I could do something with it. So that's why I brought it home, shampoo, conditioned it, cut it, air dried it, and started flat ironing. This flat iron my mom gave me, I'm still looking for the name of this. This flat iron is fire, y'all. It is fire. Yes. Puff the cigar and dab it, why don't you? This is a beautiful haircut. The hair turned out absolutely gorgeous. So much body. When I flat iron my hair or anybody's hair or my wigs, I do not put any oil in it at all. I like my wigs to have so much body, y'all. It depends on your shampoo and condition. And afterwards, you leave your conditioner overnight on your wig and then rinse it out the very next day. And I promise you, let it air dry. Don't put no product, no spritz, no oil. Just flat iron it. And I promise, if you cut it the right way, I promise you, it will have body for days. Body, yada for days. So if you looking to cut your wigs and blunt cut it like this, absolutely beautiful, guys. It is gorgeous. If you follow along how I cut and flat iron, I promise you this style will last for a mighty long time. You don't have to do anything. Just take it off at night and put it back on in the morning, and I promise you it will stay flat and straight and silky all day long. Look how pretty this turning out. This is absolutely beautiful. Thank God I know how to do hair because this wig made the cut. It turned out absolutely beautiful. On the top, I used a frizz stick. It laid it down perfectly. The finished look is absolutely gorgeous. It's nice. Don't worry about the frizz.
I just wanna be your shelter. Run into my arms, I'll be.
It's precise. The cut is absolutely gorgeous. And it's so nice. This is what you do. Don't put no product in there. Just, even if you're doing your client hair, you can spray oil on here. And I might cut it a little shorter. I'm not sure. But all in all, it is a nice cut. That's it.
So all we got is favor. Show you something greater. Through the dark, give you better life.
Okay, so that was lesson 101 with Nisha Antoinette. So when you walk, you just flow.
All I want, I need.
So pretty, right? That's how she is. Very, very pretty. I love fashion, I love style, and I love my royalties. Until next time, it's Nisha Antoinette, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Until next time, toodaloo. It looked like this. It's gorgeous. So yeah, this is so pretty. It's super gorgeous. I honestly like this wig. I think I did a real good job. So that's so pretty. I really like this hair. Do y'all see the color of this wig? It is so pretty, and the asymmetrical is adorable. Oh, so pretty. See why you shouldn't put product in your hair? So it'll, yes, honey. Oh, excuse me, what? Who do what? Huh? It kind of just flow. What? Huh? Get into it. I'll wait.